Hello everyone, in this quick video I wanted to install Azure PowerShell in my new Windows machine. So let's get started. I usually use Ubuntu for most of my work, so I don't use this PowerShell environment directly. The other favorite command or feature that I use the Cloud Shell a lot, so I don't use the PowerShell where I have it available locally. If I need it, sometimes I also use the Docker container that Microsoft provides, which has everything pre-built, so I don't have to do this setup myself. But let's get started. Let's see if I can install this Azure PowerShell in my own machine. So when I look at the Microsoft documentation, it said they're recommending PowerShell 7.6 or greater for the latest Azure PowerShell. But as long as you have PowerShell 5.1, it should work. But if you do have PowerShell 5.1 in your Windows, make sure you do not have both AZ and AzureRm. AzureRm is the older version of the Azure PowerShell command that you would use to create virtual machine or do pretty much anything. So AzureRm is for the resource manager. So now that whole big thing now compressed into AZ. So that's all you need these days. So let's get started. Let's run this command in our PowerShell window, which I think I already have it open. So if I run this particular command, PSVersionTable.PSVersion, it should give me the PowerShell that is installed in my machine, and it looks like I have a 5.1 version installed. So it should support the installation of PowerShell. So once you have verified that you have at least the minimum version that you need is available with you, you can go ahead and start this installation. And here is a command that we're going to use to install this one. I'm just going to copy it from here. And so what it is going to check if the module is already installed. If the module is AZ module is not installed, and if it's gonna tell you both AZ and AzureRm, if they're here, then it's not supported. Okay, if it's not there, so if both of the modules are not there, it's just gonna go ahead and install the AZ module for us. Okay, so if you already have the AzureRm, it's gonna give you the warning. If you don't have it, it should install it. So let's get it started. Let's see if it is doing the thing that I want. So let's come back over here, paste it, and then hit enter, and let's see what happens. So I do not have anything installed, so it's asking me something. It's asking provider is required to continue, must be available and all that. And you know, usually do you want to install the PowerShell get to install and import the new get provider? Now I have to say yes. So I hit yes. So now here the downloading that particular management new get provider, it's downloading all that, and next it's asking your instance module from untrusted repository. If you trust the repository, change this version policy value by running something. Are you sure you want to install this? So here I'm going to just say yes to all, so that I don't have to do this multiple times while I'm trying to install this. And let's see what happens. Over here it's still saying the same thing, so let's just give it a second. It's just saying running script, place control plus break to stop, control plus B to break into debuggers. I don't need any of that, so it should be running. Let's see if it's showing anything else. I don't see any other output, so I'm just gonna give it a couple more minutes to figure out what it's doing. Yeah, it's like this button, it's telling us it's doing something, trying to do right. So looks like it's installing the AZ accounts package first, and then this must be part of the AZ. So as more and more things are getting installed, like AZ API management, this bar, it's getting bigger and bigger, right? So just give it a couple more minutes. It shouldn't take too long, I would hope, to install the AZ module. So again, in this in this lab we are making sure that we are only installing the AZ module, okay, and we are not using the uh, old AZ AzureRm module. Okay, so if we had that one, we would have received a warning by now. Since we do not have that one, the installation is going on just fine. While this is going on, so let's go to the Azure web page, the documentation that I went to, and I'm going to give you this link as well in my video that I'm doing right now. So I'll put this link as a resource. Okay, so this one has some more cool stuff that I'll show you, that what you can do other than just what we are doing right now. So here actually this is, I'm gonna go back one or to install Azure PowerShell. This is the one that you need. Okay, and the other link that I gave, you also need that, but this is the one here. You know, the note I already mentioned that as recommended that you use the higher version of PowerShell. Here is the command that we have already tried to check and verify that we have 5.1, and then here is the command that we ran, and this is going on: install module name AZ AllowClobber scope CurrentUser. This is what we are running right now. We have trusted our repository. Instead of this, we had a warning box. And the thing that I wanted to show, if you want to upgrade your PowerShell, okay, here is the link, latest version of PowerShell, so you can click on that link, and here you have a direction to upgrade your PowerShell for both Windows, Linux, Mac, and ARM. You can go over here, and here you have a detailed instruction how to get the PowerShell MSI and then run it. It should be pretty simple. So this link I have also given you, and that's this link right here. Okay, so let me verify that is the correct link. Yeah, that is the correct link. So let's go back to our installation now. Let's see. Seems like this is now all done. Okay, I have nothing going on. So the next thing that we want to do, we want to verify. So we have done this. So next thing is the verify test. So how do you want to test? So for testing, you just need to run a couple commands. So let's try this one first. Connect-AzAccount. Okay, so let's come back over here. Let's just run this command and see what happens. What it says, the US is not trusted on the system, only run script from. Okay, so I'm gonna say always run. Okay, so what is saying, this command, it was not found under this, but the module could not be loaded for some information. Run import module AZ accounts. Okay, so you can run this one and see what happens, but what I'm gonna do first, I'm gonna run this one to import this AZ module to make sure that AZ module is completely available to me. Okay, so let's click on this one. Did it not work? What I'll do is, since this is going to the next line, just gonna get a PowerShell ISC and type the command over here and run it from here. Okay, and then run. Okay, so this is saying cannot be loaded because running script is disabled on this system. Okay, so here we are getting that it's a security exception, that running script is not allowed. So we need to do something else for this one. So let's see if this one has already given us the command, the fix. Let's see over here. I do not see it, so let's come back over here, and what we'll do, we'll get the command and we'll restart the video. Alright, I think we got the solution now. So let's come back over here. So what you need to do, if you get this error, running script is disabled on the system, so we really need to run a set execution policy remote sign enable. We need to enable that one. So we need to log in or open the PowerScript as administrative mode. Let me see, PowerShell, and I'll do run as administrator and say yes. So I got a new shell window, and here what I'll need to do, I just need to scope to the current user level, and I just take this one, come over here and paste it and hit enter. So now it's asking the execution policy, we are changing it. Do you want to change it? And what I'm gonna do, you can either do yes for Y or A, yes to all. I'm just gonna do A in this case, and now it should be all good. Okay, so next I'm gonna come back over here, and I'm gonna try this command one more time from here. Let's see, copy, and then over here Connect-AzAccount, and if everything is going well, which is going well I think, so now it's gonna give you this sign into your account thing. So here AZ Labs, this is my account that I'm going to use. Okay, so and it should ask me for my password. There we go, I have the password now. And if you are providing your password properly, okay, it should get automatically connected, and it should give you this, which account. This is the AZ Labs 2023. Subscription name is Azure Pass Sponsorship. This is my tenant ID, environment Azure Cloud. So now we have successfully connected to our Azure Cloud environment from the PowerShell window. Okay, so that's all I wanted to show in this video. So just remember, you may hit this problem. If you do hit this problem, just run this particular command from just be the administrator on this command, and you should be good to run your Azure commands from your Windows PowerShell environment. Alright, thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and leave your valuable comments so that I can improve the video. We are going to use this command line a lot going forward in more videos that are coming, because I'm thinking about doing more DevOps type videos for everyone. So keep posted and come back. Have a good day.